Hey Merced College students, looking for ways to optimize your success or just a quiet spot to chill and study? Check out our Student Success Centers and learn about all the great places on campus where you can get help and resources. All you need is your student ID. Let's go check it out. First up, there's Study Central in the Student Union building. It's a great place where you go when you need to work on homework or study in between classes. The center offers faculty support and peer tutoring for English and math. It's equipped with computers and printers, and unlike other places on campus, food and drinks are allowed. Study Central also offers free drop-in student success workshops in the afternoon, so make sure to check them out. The Student Success and Tutorial Center is located in the SSTC building, Room 1. The Student Success and Tutorial Center, known as the SSTC, has lots of great resources, including friendly faculty and tutors who are committed to helping you succeed. The SSTC is a one-stop shop that offers free drop-in peer tutoring for most disciplines, faculty support in math, reading and writing across disciplines, and embedded counseling. The SSTC is also home to the Embedded Tutor Program, or ET, which is an academic support program that offers additional support to students inside and outside the classroom. The center also provides online tutoring for students enrolled in online courses and scheduled tutoring sessions for most courses offered at Merced College. The center offers desktop and laptop computers, on-site printing, textbook resources, plenty of charging outlets, and yes, you can also eat and drink. So make sure to visit the SSTC today. Research shows that Merced College students who use these services are much more successful than those who don't. So the next time you need some help or a quiet place to study, remember to take advantage of SSTC, Study Central, and all the free services and resources Merced College has to offer. And don't forget your student ID.